Hi. I just woke up. Good morning, guys. It's Bailey. Why was that so unenthusiastic? Whatever. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing my what I eat in a day video. I did this about a year ago. You guys liked it. I don't actually know. Did you even like it? I don't know. Maybe you hated it. Maybe you literally never wanted to see this video again. But anyways, some people were requesting it, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all of my snacks in between. This is gonna be a super realistic version. This is actually what I eat. I'm not just preparing certain meals just to like look good for the video. Like, this is genuinely what I eat. So I'm just gonna tell you now, like, I'm trying to be healthier and I'm trying to get in like all my nutrients and stuff, but sometimes I just eat a whole tub of ice cream, and like that's just how life goes for me. Eating healthy is super important, but calorie counting isn't necessary. I'm just gonna say that now. I'm personally trying to gain weight, and I was counting my calories, trying to eat as many calories as I could. It's so unhealthy. Don't do it. Do not do it. Just try to eat healthy. Try to get your vegetables, try to get your fruits, try to get your whole grains. Literally just focus on getting the necessities, and you will see that you are eating so much healthier. I don't want this video to be a source for people to come to try and lose weight or change their body in any way. This video is strictly just to show you guys that I've been eating healthier and I'm really proud of myself. Just, you know, don't take this video too seriously, because the last thing I want is to make anybody feel bad about themselves or their food and health choices. What is going on? Basically, I have school today. It's Tuesday, so I have school. It's currently 10:11 and I have my first class at 10:35. I have to sign in, and then I have a Google Meet. So I will see you guys after that so that I can go make my breakfast. I ended up doing 2 classes, so it's low-key really late now. It's 12:08 and I'm eating my first meal, so that's like probably not the best. I'm going to be making avocado toast with scrambled eggs on top. I make avocado toast a lot. It's probably like my main breakfast.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Okay guys, so this is my breakfast. It took me like 12 minutes to make. It's just the 2 pieces of avocado toast with the eggs on top, and the eggs are not yellow because I put a lot of paprika in them. It just adds so much flavor and tastes so much better. And then I have seasoning on the eggs, and on top of the toast a little bit of this sriracha stuff on top of it, and it looks absolutely amazing. And then I just made my coffee, which is just like an instant cold brew. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to try my toast for you guys. I've had this toast before. I mean, I have it a lot, but it's literally so good and is so like, obviously it's not like healthy as in no fat, no carbs, no whatever, but it's a healthy option compared to like waffles or cereal or anything else that I used to eat in the morning. Literally so good. It tastes amazing. It literally tastes like there's like chicken on it, which might sound disgusting. The way that I season the eggs is like the way that I would like prepare chicken. The eggs kind of taste like chicken low-key. There's my breakfast. Hey guys, it is currently 2:46 and I am starving. I did more school. I showered, I put some mascara on. They look really good. So I'm gonna make a snack, and I was thinking, what do I want? And I kind of just want fruit. Fruit is something that I have for a snack all the time, so that's what I'm gonna have. We'll just use what we can. Okay, so this is how much cantaloupe is left. I'm just gonna grab most of these pieces. I'm just going to cut off the ends, and then I'm gonna cut a line down the middle. I literally eat so much fruit, it's like an entire meal. So, I don't really know. This is my lunch, low-key. I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to start preparing dinner. Okay, so I was just eating my fruit bowl. I should probably make my pizza dough. I was just eating my fruit bowl and starting to do some more homework because I got a lot, and my dad brought in a package. I literally want you guys to know, if there are any small Instagram shops watching this, I literally will receive any of your clothes because I think it is so cool. Like, small businesses are so cool. Send me your clothes. I will be more than willing to post an Instagram picture or show it off in a video like this. So the Instagram shop is called Wicked Sweet Girl. So the first thing they sent me are these little shorts, which are just some little tan, cute little like paper bag shorts. This little green and white floral tank top. I have the shorts on, they're just super cute. I didn't tie them. This is the top. It's literally so freaking cute. Look at the back of it. It's so cute. This would be so cute with mom jeans. I didn't tie this one tight enough, but I think that this is so cute. So then they also sent me this lime green little tank top, which is really pretty, to be honest. This is so cute. I like it. I really do. And then they sent me this, which is adorable. It's just like one of those little shirts that tie, but it's like really see-through. So I'm thinking that it is meant to be kind of like a cardigan. Obviously not for this dress. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna make my pizza dough. It's 4:21 right now, and I want to eat around probably like 6 or 6:30. So we gotta make my pizza dough. I haven't made pizza dough in a really long time. 2.5 cups. 2.5. Oh gosh, you guys, I literally have 1 packet of yeast. That is probably from 2012, but I'm gonna use it anyway. You guys literally don't know how happy I am that I just found this yeast. So I'm supposed to whisk all of this together. This is pretty hot water. It's hot enough, okay. I'm just gonna finish this and get back to you because I don't know what's going on. Okay, you guys, so my dough is done. It's just, you know, dough. I grabbed this big bowl and I greased the inside of it. I'll just put a towel on it. Whenever I make pizza dough, I like to put it in the sunroom. It's basically just a room with a bunch of windows and it gets really warm in there. Okay, hey guys, so it's been a while. It's 6:20 right now. I have no idea what this cheese is. It's that. I don't know. I'm gonna try some though. Super good. Welcome to Bailey does not own a cheese grater, so is putting cheese in a blender. I'm gonna cut these into smaller sections. I love that some people make these videos like super aesthetically pleasing and I'm over here literally not doing that at all. I'm sick of that. You guys are gonna see my face now. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry off the mozzarella cheese. Okay, I truthfully don't really know what I'm doing. I'm stretching out half of the dough. I guess I'm making 2 pizzas. I didn't know that. Oh shoot. Okay, basically I have all of my ingredients here and then I have my dough. I'm just gonna take some garlic powder and sprinkle that on there. It's gonna be tasting like Domino's crust, bro. On there. I'm supposed to sprinkle some of the fancy Parmesan on it. This is a lot of mozzarella for this tiny pizza. I probably won't use all of it. This is what it's looking like so far. And sprinkle them. This is what it looks like. I don't really know. Is this it? Okay, I'm gonna finish this off camera. I literally can't do it anymore. Okay, you guys, it's been a while. It's literally 7:30. Didn't plan on having this take me so long, but my pizzas turned out. They actually work. I mean, they don't look great. They're not phenomenal. They definitely aren't bad. This one was my first one that I messed up kind of bad. But my second one looks a lot better. I mean, it doesn't look that great, but I took a bite already on accident. Well, I wanted to taste it, and it's really good. I'm not even lying to you when I say that this is literally not the best pizza I've ever had. Obviously, I can't say that, but this is genuinely one of the best pizzas that I've ever tasted. The flavor is immaculate. I literally made my own pizza sauce, and it's so good. I also cooked it for like the perfect amount of time. For dinners, I usually eat like my main meal. Then I'll have like veggies or like cottage cheese with it. I know some of you guys don't like cottage cheese. I get that. I really do like cottage cheese. Sometimes I'll have a little dish of cottage cheese or like mashed potatoes. I usually just have a few sides, but today I'm just gonna eat this mini cucumber and ranch. So I just like literally drown it in ranch. I like the mini ones because you can just eat like one whole one at once. I'll probably see you guys in like an hour to eat another something.
Get some of that sauce to it. There's actually a little bit. Did you buy like a big block of?
So it's currently 9:32 and I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl. I love smoothie bowls. Frozen strawberries. If you're making a smoothie bowl, it needs to have bananas because bananas are what give it that thick consistency. And then if I'm making a smoothie, I'll put a ton of liquid in right away. But if I'm making a smoothie bowl, I just do a few splashes of that and then I blend it up, and it literally doesn't blend nice at all. This blender is from like 1907. I think it was low-key my grandma's. Like, I don't know. I don't know why we haven't upgraded our blender. I want one that has like the blades that are in like the middle of it. Once some of the fruit is chopped up a little bit, I go in with this like spatula thing and I just kind of like push the fruit down.
Anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to. Anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Okay, and then this is the finished smoothie bowl. Super good, super tasty. I make these at least once a day. I actually love them. Cut up some strawberries, flax seeds, and Hershey's syrup, and then it just basically scoops out like ice cream. Okay, you guys, so it's currently like 10:30. I don't know why the lighting was just tweaking so hard, but I'm in the pantry. We get past my meals, we get past the vegetables and the fruit, and I usually come to the pantry and I make mac and cheese. Specifically this one, it's the Kraft, oh my god, 3 cheese shells. They are so good. Best mac and cheese hands down ever, whole entire world, literally the best mac and cheese. But I'm not quite in the mood for mac and cheese, which is weird because I made that Kraft mac and cheese for at least a week and a half straight one time last week. Yeah. We've got plenty of snacks and stuff. I only eat these like once a week, so that's really good because I used to eat them every day. Okay, so I just eat them because I love the taste. I just eat them for like a minute and then I'm good. I tend to eat a lot of go-go squeezes. Oh, I low-key didn't even film that. After I had my fruit bowl, I ended up having a go-go squeeze. I had a go-go squeeze in one of these. They're the Kind Healthy Grains dark chocolate chunk. Basically, they're like little granola type bars. One of my favorite snacks are these Old Wisconsin hardwood smoked snack sticks. Apparently they're a good source of protein. It's just like such a toxic trait of mine that I'm hungry throughout the day, but I don't feel like I'm that hungry until like nighttime. Low-key kind of a weird video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I know I'm like talking with food in my mouth and it's disgusting. I promise I don't usually do that, but I'm just trying to get this done with. Oh my god, bye.